Hi guys, today is Monday and most of the snow has melted, but there are still some packed ice. Let us all remember that these are all temporary and we can go through this. And there are other states such as California who is having a hard time, and it's heartbreaking to see all those who lost their homes and just seeing all those fire like it's hell. Say a prayer for them that they be given some strength and to not lose faith no matter how things can get so difficult, and just it's just sometimes hard to comprehend. I have never lived in LA, but I have some friends in LA. Thank God most of them, all of them are safe, but there are others that we just see who lost all their homes. It's very heartbreaking. I don't know how it feels to lose things through fire. It does not really sink in when you start to rebuild just how hard it is. But what you can focus on is the love and the support that is given to you, because those are really precious. And anyway, yesterday me and my dog Rocko went down this trail to go to the frozen pond. It's just really a small pond, but it was a nice walk, and that is what we're going to show you today. Hope you enjoy it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Go.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We'll be back. Well, that's it, guys. Just a very short clip, and I hope you enjoyed it. And you can still see some snow in the background, and because they are shaded, and also the road. There's still some packed ice on the road, so I hope everyone is going to be very careful when they walk into some black ice or drive through it, because it can, be very, very dangerous. So this is the part really that I don't look forward to, when things become so icy to walk on, as well as when it becomes so muddy. But then there's really nothing to complain. This is how it works. The snow, beautiful, becomes ice, when it melts, muddy, but then it's just temporary. If we look at the beauty of how things are changing, they're really quite amazing. But that's it for now, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. To the ice